Today, I will discuss about the structure and classification of silicates. First, introduction. Second, silica polymerization. Third, silicate structure group classification. Fourth, nesosilicates or orthosilicates. Fifth, sorosilicates. Sixth, cyclosilicates. Seventh, inosilicate chain silicates. And 8 is your phyllosilicates, layer silicates, tectosilicates, that is also known as framework silicate SiO2, and 10 is your conclusion. The silicate minerals form a group of inorganic compound of great chemical as well as structural complexity and very important for rock forming minerals and also for understand of magma crystallization. Silica polymerization. The silicate minerals form a group of inorganic compounds of great chemical as well as structural complexity. The one common component of all silicates, however, is the tetrahedra SiO4 -4 structure subunit. The manner in which silica tetrahedra units associated provides a basis for classification of the silicates into 6 distinct groups. Before we examine these 6 silicate structures groups individually, it would be well to highlight a few fundamental features of the silicate tetrahedra. The basic tetrahedral grouping of 4 oxygen about each Si provides the strongest, most stable bonds within the silicate species. This very stable configuration is compatible with both the radius ratio rules and a strong covalent S3sp3 bondings. Since the size of the alumina +3 ions is similar to that of the Si +4 ions, we may expect some isomorphous substitution or proximing of Al +3 for Si +4, that is Si substituted by Al within the tetrahedral unit. Such substitution seldom exceed 50%. Silica tetrahedra units SiO4 -4 may occur within silicate structures as independent units, or they may polymerize in varying degree through the sharing of common oxygens. When SiO4 -4 tetrahedra polymerize, it is always through common sharing of oxygens, never by sharing of edge or face of the tetrahedra. Pauling third rules. The extent of polymerization of silica tetrahedra varies widely within the silicate mineral group, from no polymerization to complete polymerization of all tetrahedra oxygens. Nearly all silicate minerals species can be placed in one of 6 distinct structural groups based on the manner of polymerization or association of the silica tetrahedra units. This is the most widely accepted classification system, but other system of silicate classification do exist, some of which delineate as may as 8 or even 10 silicate structural groups. As we consider the 6 silicate structural groups, we will find that the complexity of silica tetrahedra polymerization follows In the same order as the Baumann reaction series, the order of crystallization of primary silicate minerals from solid solution, igneous magma during cooling in all the silicate structure investigated so far, the silicon atoms are in fold-fold coordination with oxygen. The different silicate types arise from the various way in which these SiO tetrahedra are related to one another. The silicate classification is based on the type of linkage, which are as follows. Silicates are subdivided into 6 groups based on the arrangement of silica tetrahedra within their structures. First is your nesosilicate. Silicon oxygen ratio is 1:4, single tetrahedra. No oxygen is shared between neighboring tetrahedra joined by bonds with other cations. Second is your sorosilicate. Silicon oxygen ratio is 2:7. Two neighboring tetrahedra share 1 point. Third is your cyclosilicate. The SiO ratio is 1:3. All tetrahedra share 2 oxygen, each one with a different neighbors, building up 3, 6, 4 or 12 tetrahedra into a ring structures. Fourth A, that is your inosilicate single chain. The ratio of silicon oxygen is 1:3. All tetrahedra share 2 oxygen, each one with a different neighbors, building up 3, 4, 6 or 12 tetrahedra into a ring structures. Fourth B, inosilicate double chain. The ratio of silicon oxygen is 2:11. Alternate tetrahedra share 2, then 3 oxygen, each one with a different neighbors, building a side by side double chain structures. Fifth is your phyllosilicates. The ratio of silicon oxygen is 2:5. Each tetrahedra share 3 basal oxygen, each one with a different neighbors, building a sheet structure. 6 is your tectosilicates. The ratio of silicon oxygen is 1:2. Each tetrahedron share 3 basal oxygen, each one with a different neighboring, building a sheet structures. Basic building blocks equal to silica tetrahedra composed of 1 silicon atoms bounded to 4 oxygen atoms. 50 by 50 mixed ionic and covalent bonds, mixed bond oxygen from isodesmic bonds, meaning that they equally distribute their charge between the central Si and the same other and the some other ions, that is -1 to Si and -1 to other, that is equal to total -2. Tetrahedra are never linked to one another by more than one shared oxygen, because the structure would be unstable. That is, if 2 oxygen edge sharing or 3 oxygen phase sharing are shared by adjacent tetrahedra, then the Si ions would be too close together and would begin to repel each other. Single tetrahedra bonded together by cations that sit in octahedral site. The resulting composition is SiO4 -4, and typical mineral is phosphorite, that is Mg2SiO4, in which excess of 4 negative charges are neutralized by 2 divalent Mg+2 cations. This division of silicate is known as orthosilicates or nesosilicates. A number of primary silicate crystallize in this nesosilicate modes. For example, olivine species phosphorite composition is your Mg2SiO4. Second, olivine species phyalite, composition Fe2SiO4. Group zircon species zircon and composition is ZrSiO4. Third, garnet species almandine, composition is Fe3Al2SiO4 thrice. Next is Al silicate species kyanite, selemonite, andalusite, composition is Al2O-SiO4. Anisosilicate form from high temperature fluid magma, providing the magma has a sufficient content of neutralizing cations. The nesosilicate follow the Pauling rules that highly charged cations Si+4 maintain as large a separation as possible. Hence, the tetrahedra do not need to polymerize and share common oxygen. Plenty of other cations are present to maintain electrical neutrality. Stability of 6-fold MgO or FeO octahedral linkage between adjacent tetrahedra oxygens is thus enhanced by the better fit of Mg or Fe in the extended octahedral space in olivine and garnet. Cleavage is irregular because the isolated tetrahedra structure produce no preferred planes of weakness. Sorosilicates or dislocates coupled silicates Si2O7 tetrahedra arranged in groups of 2 that share one point between them. As nesosilicate crystallize from magma, the fraction that remains fluid often becomes enriched in Si with respect to oxygen and to other cations. Consequently, silicate with higher Si to O oxygen ratio begin to form. This relative increase in the Si to O ratio promotes the sharing of oxygens and tetrahedra polymerization occurs. The simplest polymerization involves the sharing of one corner oxygen by 2 Si tetrahedra to form a double tetrahedra units. This tetrahedral dimer form a discrete composite groups in the few rather rare sorosilicate species. The composition of this characteristic unit is Si2O6 power minus 7 and a typical mineral is hemimorphites. Examples: millilite Ca2 Mg Fe plus 2 Si2O7, epidote Ca2 Al 2.4 Fe 0.6 Si3O13 H. The cyclosilicates represent a further stage in the complexity of silicon tetrahedra polymerization. In this type, 2 of the oxygen of the each tetrahedra are shared with neighboring tetrahedra. The angular position of the tetrahedra are such that closed units of a ring like structure result. Ring of 3, 4, 6 tetrahedra are known. The silicon oxygen ratio in each case is 1:3. Rings containing 8, 9 or even 12 silica units are fairly rare but do exist. The individual rings are linked together by cations that interact with the unshared oxygen of adjacent ring. Double rings containing 2 linked layers of 3, 4 and 6 members rings are rare. The 2 rings are connected by sharing oxygen between them, which means that 3 of the 4 oxygen of each Si units are shared. 6 member rings are the most common. Some relatively common examples are tourmaline 6 members Na Mg3 Si6 BO3 thrice OH4 Si6 O10, beryl 6 members ring Be3 Al2 Si6 O18. We can divide the inosilicates into two types. First is a single chain and second is your double chain. Now take up the single chain structures that include pyroxenes and pyroxenites SiO3, single chain in which SiO is 1:3 and it is formed by sharing of 2 oxygen of each tetrahedra. This is characterized by pyroxene type single chain and pyroxenite type of single chain. In the former, the chain extend along the C axis and cell dimension is 5.2 angstrom, while the latter is characterized by the elongation of the chain in B axis direction and repeated distance is 7.3 angstrom. Simplest repeated formula is SiO3 square N. Some common single chain inosilicates are hypersthene composition Mg FeSiO3, inestatite composition MgSiO3, ferrocellite composition FeSiO3, augite composition Ca MgFeAl SiAl2 O6, diapside composition CaMg Si2 O6, Heidelbergite composition Ca Fe Si2 O6, jadeite composition NaAl Si2 O6. In the pyroxenes, the chains are untwisted and extended along the C axis. Pyroxenes are divided into two groups. First, that is orthopyroxene, do not contain calcium, contain smaller cations, so both the M1 and M2 cation sites are in 6-fold coordination number. This result in anorthorhombic crystal structures. Clinopyroxenes contain calcium, which is a large cations. Along with smaller cations, the M1 site is a 6-fold coordination number site that takes the smaller cations, whereas the M2 site becomes a 7 to 8 coordination number site to accommodate the large cations ions. This result in a lower symmetry and a monoclinic structure in monoclinic pyroxene. In pyroxenites, the chain structure is twisted, resulting in a lower symmetry triclinic system and longer repeated distance. Example of pyroxenite is wollastonite CaSiO3, rhodonite MnSiO3. Single chain inosilicates display two set of cleavage at 87 and 93 degree. Now second is a double chain silicate, that is also known as amphiboles, and oxygen and silicon ratio is 4:11. Tetrahedra alternate sharing 2, then 3, then 2, then 3 oxygen with neighboring tetrahedra. Double chain silicate represent a further stage in tetrahedra polymerization. In double chain, in which alternate tetrahedra in two parallel single chains are cross linked and the SiO ratio is 4:11, SiO4 O11 minus 6. Example of amphiboles is hornblende CaNa 2 to 3, MgFeAl5 Si6, SiAl2 O22 OH twice, tremolite Ca2 Mg5 Si8 O22 OH twice, actinolite Ca2 MgFe5 Si6 SiAl2 O22 OH twice. In the structure of double chain inosilicates, the two linked chain have a large holes between them. This hole is fitted by large anions like OH minus Cl Fe, that is chlorine or fluorine. Water OH is common in holes at low temperature, but can be driven out of a structure with heating. When the water is driven out, the structure may convert to a pyroxenes. Phyllosilicates, that is also known as seat silicates, and the ratio of silicon oxygen is Si2O5, that is 2:5. This group is characterized by seat structures. 3 oxygen of each tetrahedra is shared, remaining apical oxygen points outwards U. This apical oxygen generally bonds with others octahedrally coordinated cations. Different stacking arrangement of tetrahedral seat and octahedral seats, along with the type of cations that occupies the octahedral site, allow for the variety of phyllosilicates that occur in nature. These stacking pattern includes A 1:1 phyllosilicates, kaolinite type or 7 angstrom type. In this one tetrahedra layer is shared with an octahedral layer. The resulting structure is 2 layered and repeated distance is 7 angstrom. Have a T-O stacking pattern. 1 tetrahedra seats of every 1 octahedral seat. B 2:1 phyllosilicates, mica types or 10 angstrom type. In this type, there is a layer of octahedral coordinated cations sandwiched between 2 identical tetrahedral layers with apex of tetrahedral pointing towards each other. The repeated distance is 10 angstrom along C direction. Have a T-O-T stacking pattern 2. Tetrahedral seat for every 1 octahedral seat, and third C, that is 2:1 phyllosilicates, chloride type or 14 angstrom type. It consists of 2 octahedral layers and 2 tetrahedral layers, and repeated distance is 14 angstrom. Octahedral variety includes dioctahedral. Cations in octahedral seats are trivalent +3, usually Al +3. The 6 charge from the anion is satisfied by only 2 trivalent cations. Therefore, 1 out of every 3 cation site is vacant. Each oxygen or OH is bounded to cations. Cations in octahedral seats are divalent +2, usually Mg or Fe +2. The 6 minus charge from the anions is satisfied by 3 divalent cations. So, all cation sites are filled. Each oxygen or OH is bounded to 3 cations. Example of phyllosilicates: A 1:1 phyllosilicates Si2O5, dioctahedral kaolinite Al2 Si2O5 OH4, trioctahedral serpentine Mg Fe3 Si2O5 OH4. B 2:1 phyllosilicates Si4O10, dioctahedral pyrophyllite Al2 Si4O10 OH twice, trioctahedral talc Mg Fe3 Si4O10 OH twice, mica dioctahedral muscovite Kal2 Si3 Al1 O10 OH twice, trioctahedral example is your biotite and formula is Kmg, Fe thrice Si3 Al O10 OH twice. All these minerals have platy habits with perfect cleavage parallel to the tetrahedral seat. In the tectosilicate, 4 oxygen of all tetrahedra are shared by adjacent tetrahedra. In some of the groups, Al may substitute for Si. However, since it is the same position and is the same coordination, it is considered to be similar to Si in these structures. The repeated formula is SiO2 modified by substitution Si4 substituted by Si20. In each case, the structure is built from SiO4 tetrahedra, which are linked by sharing each of their corners with another tetrahedra. In the 3-dimensional framework form, every silicon has 4 oxygen and share all 4 oxygen with neighboring tetrahedra. The tectosilicate groups includes the most abundant minerals composing the earth crust. These includes plagioclase feldspar nearly 39%, orthoclase feldspar nearly 12%, quartz nearly 12%. Examples of tectosilicates: quartz SiO2, orthoclase KAlSi3O8, albite NaAlSi3O8, labradorite CaNaAlSi4O8, anorthite CaAl2Si2O8. In this module, I have discussed about the structure and classification of the silicates. The silicate minerals form a group of inorganic compounds of great chemical as well as structural complexity. The one common component of all silicates, however, is the tetrahedra SiO4 minus 4 structural subunits. The manner silica tetrahedral unit associates provides a basis for classification of the silicates into 6 distinct groups. This is the most widely accepted classification system, but other systems of silicate classification do exist, some of which delineate as many as 8 or even 10 silicates structural groups. Thank you very much.